How are you? I hope all of you are well and fine. Today, whole world is facing by COVID-19, and they are suffering a lot. So, because of this COVID-19, we are decided to teach you by online study, and so we try our best by video teaching. Here we are students of 9th standard. This is our textbook, and we have to also buy a reference book. This is your textbook, or this textbook is divided into the 14 chapters. First sem, second sem करके whole books we have to refer, and so many chapters in this book also useful for the 10th standard. Now I am talking about the chapter number 1, and chapter number 1 is the number system. In a earlier standard all of you learn about the number system. नंबर से ही हमने पढ़ाई की शुरुआत की है, और our number system start from natural number. Natural number, its symbol is n, and 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot. Here dot dot means we have an infinite many numbers are there. Then in next standard you are learning about whole number. Whole number in which natural number we add 0. Then we are getting the whole number 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is our whole number. Then in 7th standard you are learning about integers. And integers is the combination of negative number, 0 and positive number. You also mention this number on number line, and when you mention this number on number line, on left hand side you denote all the negative numbers, and on the right hand side you denote the positive numbers. Then in standard 8 you are learning rational number, which is denoted by Q. Rational number is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q belongs to Z and Q does not equal to 0. That means our denominator never 0. आपने कभी भी 0 का टेबल लर्न नहीं किया है, यानी when we divide any number with the 0 we are not getting any result, and that is why Q is not equal to 0. Now from this number, first of all smallest natural number is 1. यहाँ पर we start our natural number with a 1, and that is why smallest natural number is 1. Smallest whole number is 0. Then we are talking about the integers. Integers are positive, 0 and negative. When we put them on the number line, we are moving on the right hand side, and on right hand side we have a positive number. On left hand side we have a negative numbers are there. When we move step by step on the right hand side, what happens? Our number is in an increasing order. That means number become greater. And as we move on the left hand side, the number becomes smaller. That means -7, -5 are smaller than -1. Similarly, 1 is smaller than 4. That means number is bigger, but negative sign make it small. Now here I represent all number in the form of boxes. Here I have 4 boxes. I put that boxes, यानी घर पे आपकी मम्मी डब्बे का सेट रखती है, मम्मी कंटेनर का सेट रखती है, और when you are going to the market, वेसल्स वाले की दुकान पे जाएंगे तो वहाँ पर कंटेनर का सेट मिलता है. उसमें बिगर के अंदर स्मॉलर, उसके बाद उसके अंदर स्मॉल, उसके अंदर स्मॉल. तो दिस इज आवर 4 कंटेनर्स. इन दिस M, W, Z and R. That means R is our bigger container. R contains Z, W and N. यानी रेशनल नंबर के अंदर हमारे नेचुरल नंबर भी आ जाते हैं, होल नंबर भी आ जाते हैं और इंटीजर्स आ जाते हैं। और these things I denote in the notation of the set theory that n belongs to n is a subset of the whole number means w is the subset of z and z is the subset of q. That means our rational number is the bigger container. उसके अंदर सारे ही नंबर्स आ जाते हैं। और here you look, rational number has a 0 which is in whole number, also it has a 1 2 3 so on. It has a negative numbers also which are into the integers. That means rational number is the combination of a natural number, whole number and integers. Now this one is the introduction of the numbers. Now in our textbook we have a one of the example, or that examples gives us the answer of a true and false. Example number 1. Here we have to write down false or false car. We have to write down the reasons of the false answer. So first one, every whole number is the natural number. This is false. कहा गया है कि सारे ही होल नंबर्स है वो नेचुरल नंबर है, तो दिस इज अ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट बिकॉज 0 is not a natural number. Why? Because whole number is begin with a 0, or that 0 is not present in a natural number, and that is why this statement is false. Now second one, every integer is a rational number. This one is a true statement because integer is the combination of negative, 0 and positive number which are already present in the rational number. So और यहाँ पर भी देखो कि z is inside the R, यानी members of the z are in R. That is why this statement is true. So reason is why, because every integer can be expressed in the p by q form. Now how can we say that? Suppose my integer is a -3. I put q is equal to 1 and this becomes my p by q form. Now third one, every rational number is an integer. Every rational number is an integer. Is it possible that big container is accommodate in a small container? तो it is not possible. बड़े डब्बे को छोटे डब्बे में आप नहीं रख सकते हो. तो that means this is a false because rational number is into the p by q form. यहाँ पे one of the example is there, 3 by 2 is not integer. It is not integer. Or here you look in the integer we have a not any p by q form. So this is our example number 1 in which we are giving the reasons for false